hello again, and we wanted to share with you your 4-week-old puppies.
Yay!
Everybody is doing really well. Everyone is alert and happy. Yep, everyone's happy. Everyone's getting lots of attention. Yeah. You probably see us in here holding them, picking them up, playing with them.
On the camera.
Yeah, on the camera. So they're all tired right now, but we just wanted to tell you that everyone is doing well. You've noticed we had to move them into the pen about a week early. Well, not a whole week early, but they were trying to escape the box. So this was a safer idea. So we put them in here, and I think they're really liking it. You can probably tell on the camera I usually have a blanket laid down, and then their little puppy beds. Yep, on top of the blanket, and then they have some tile. And back here is their litter box that they're using very well. I still have the pad around it because they still try to. They don't quite make it all the time. They put their little paws in,
and then their little 2 paws out,
and then the back legs are out, and they don't quite make it all the time. But they're There we go. There's an example. Yeah, it's okay. We're still learning.
Yeah.
But everyone is doing great. They are eating their mash now about three times a day.
They love it.
They love it.
They're eating it all.
Yep, they eat it all. And I actually have some, and I'm going to show you here what I do. So basically the food that you see on the web link that you're watching this video on, I believe there's the bag of food that I use is on there, and I just take that, mix it in a bowl with some water, let the food absorb all of the water, and it just makes the puppy food almost like a sponge. So it's super soft for them to eat. They can just kind of eat it. They just chew it up easily. And plus it's also hydrating for them with that extra water. So yeah, I have their mash ready, and I'm gonna show you how they eat their mash if they wake up. So let's see, anything else?
And they're also drinking out their water bowl.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah.
They're doing that better too.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's a water bowl over here filled with
Water.
Fresh water, and
A little pad.
Yeah.
So we don't get it everywhere.
Yes, yeah, it helps, but they do tend to get into it. But yeah, we fill it up multiple times a day with fresh water, and it's so cute to see them drink that and learn that that's there. So they're very hydrated. Zena is still nursing them, not as often as last week, but that's to be expected. But they are still nursing, so they have that, and they have their water, they have their mash. Yes, everyone's doing really well. So I hope you're enjoying the puppy cam. Yeah, everyone's doing great. They will wake up here in just a second because I'm gonna put down their mash. So hold on, let's walk out carefully and let's go get their mash, okay?
Yeah.
All right, here is
The mash.
their mash.
We put it in soaking water, and then we smash it all.
Yep, it's all nice and hydrated.
Moisturized.
It's mush, it's mash. So we are gonna set this down, and we'll move.
Some of them.
Oh, everybody heard that. Everyone heard
Bump.
the clinking of the bowl. So let's see
Go over
here.
there. Eat. Wake up.
Oh, that's good.
Where do we put them?
Here, right there. That's good. Good job. That's good. All right.
They're all eating.
Over here. Carefully. All right, so that's their mash.
They love it. It's really good. He's going. That's so funny. Now that's funny.
Let's see. There you go. Everybody has their place. They all fit perfectly around that feeding bowl. And when they are done, there will be nothing left.
They're already looking clean already.
I know.
They love that stuff.
They do.
If I was Puppy, I would eat all of it for myself.
So here is a better look at the pen, which I'm sure you have seen it, but you can kind of get an idea. They have lots of room to play, a nice safe area, and
It's like,
okay.
look at that.
That bowl that was full of mash is now clean. Licked clean. And this mash, this is okay to do when you guys get your puppy, to feed them mash, and you can, and that's it. All right. AussieDoodle fans, let's see here. They found their bowl of fresh water. Everyone's awake now. Everyone is gonna have energy. Say it.
Bye, AussieDoodle fans.
Until next week. Bye-bye.